Hello, this is Aarti here. I am the Senior Program Manager and Special Educator at Saamarthya Foundation. Today, the goal that we are going to learn will be on teaching phonetic sounds using the technique copycat game. The name itself says learning phonetics through actions or through imitation skills. So, it is very important that your child knows to imitate you. That is the only time this goal can be achieved. So, how do we go about it? The first way of doing it is by saying the alphabet name, okay, and the sound of it, and doing the action accordingly. So, letter A makes the sound ah, 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 ah. Okay, it's like as if ants are climbing on my arms. Ah, 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 ah. Letter B makes the sound B, 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 B. So we are hitting the ball with a bat. Letter C makes the sound K, 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 K. Letter D makes the sound D, 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 D. Letter E makes the sound ah, 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 ah. Letter F makes the sound f, f. Letter H makes the sound Letter G makes the sound G, 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 G. So we learnt these alphabets using the copycat technique, that is through actions. The second way of also learning these phonetic sounds can be during rhyme time. So let us take an example. A, ah, ah, apple, ah, ah, apple, ah, ah, apple. B, ba, ba, bat, ba, ba, bat. C, k, k, cat, k, k, cat, k, k, cat. D, 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 drums, d, d, drums. E, egg, egg, egg. F, fill, fill. So this could be another way of using the same technique copycat game but through rhymes. I hope you find this technique to be useful while teaching the phonetic sounds. If you have any queries, do reach out to us. Thank you.